yeah, that's literally all I can do with this job. I literally ripped out the old silicone, replaced it with new black silicone, what's supplied by the customer. I ripped the quadrum out, I've cleared all the bacteria up, all the mould behind there, a bead of black silicone all the way around. And I've also sorted that mess underneath the shower tray as well, cleaned all the old silicone out as well. This is only just to get through for a couple more months to when they rip out the bathroom for a brand new bathroom. But I just can't believe someone's actually done that and charged her over the odds for it. I'm not happy what someone's done. Just literally chuck some mould quadrant on top of the old silicone, put the silicone at the top, and then literally put big blob of silicone in the corner to stop it leaking. What's the point? If you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. Good morning all. Today we're going to change all this silicone in here due to it leaking. The previous, you can see there, the previous handyman, plumber, fixed the leak by chucking a load of silicone like that. They never really fixed the leak. And also this quadrant has been put in, as you can see, is, as you can see, it's moving. Don't know why you put quadrant on there. And you put a load of silicone in the corner like this to stop the leak. And also underneath here, he's put a load of silicone here to stop the leak. The leak literally coming from the corner of the tray is coming down here and it's penetrating here and it's caused this laminate flooring in the hallway to literally bowed up because it got soaking wet. And he's also put silicone, let me just try and get a better angle. He's also put silicone on the threshold. Put silicone all in the threshold to stop the leak. So today I'm going to rip all that quadrant out, clean all the silicone up, re-silicone, and the silicone the customer's brought is black silicone. Then I'm going to put clear on the outside and go from there, and hopefully it won't leak. First off, let's get rid of this quadrant out of here. Oh my god. That's absolutely ringing. Look at that. Whoa. That side is even worse. Look at that. Get some of this silicone off. Look at that. You don't know what you're doing, don't bloody do it. literally taking bit by bit, using the Stanley blade, scraper and a chisel, and that will get that off. It's just a bit stubborn. Now the silicone's taken off, I've literally sprayed it with mold and bacterial spray to get rid of all that mold and bacteria behind that silicone. I'm literally gonna that's got to come out. As you can see, I've got to take a little bit more silicone out, but as you can see, it was way better than it was before. So now, that's all nice and clean and tidy. I've literally sprayed it with mold and bacteria spray. I've scrubbed it nice and clean to get the old bacteria and gunk and goo away. Now it's ready to silicone up. The silicone we're going to use is black. And silicone tool. I'm going to go off with a 16 bead first. Just run it across. Black is the worst silicone going. I'm not the biggest fan of black. Yeah, that's all, literally.